Okay, folks, I'm going to talk to you real briefly about your assignment here as I am gone on this day. So I'm looking at the calendar right here for your coral fish assignment. Going to describe that real quickly, and then you guys have today to work on that, and then Friday, and then we're going to actually start these presentations next week. So here's how it's going to work. First of all, fantastic title of this assignment. It is what's called killing it in the comedy industry. Ultimately, all you need to do is pick a fish from this list down here. There are a bunch of coral fish and some unique fish, okay? You pick a fish, you're going to make a single Google slide off of this. You're going to electronically submit that thing. That single Google slide has to have these following 4 things on it, and you can read through that pretty clearly. A good picture, a good description, an approximate size, so we have an idea of what size it is, and then some unique characteristic, basically something cool about the fish. You can go ahead and choose from any one of these, but you need to make your selection and then you claim it on this link. So you're going to open up that file once you decide what you're going to do. There can only be 1 fish per person, so I don't want too many fish representing here. So you're going to have your topic, you're going to little thing, you're going to do the whatever one, you're going to do the black sturgeon, and then you're going to put your name here, and then you're going to have your own little Google slide link there. Once everybody's done, I hope to have a master Google slide of this as well, so that I can just go through and use your pictures to kind of review and study. This is going to turn into a test that's going to be an identification test and a characteristics test. So make sure that you have a really good picture or set of pictures for these things on that Google slide, and then also a good characteristics thing. So the test will be in a couple of weeks, basically in like 2 weeks. But it will be a word bank test where you'll have a list of all these fish, and then I'll show a thing on the overhead back here, and I'll say, okay, what fish is this? And then name one cool thing about it. And then the next one, what name is this fish? Something cool about it. So that's your job as we go through these. These will be very informal presentations. So we'll start those presentations on Tuesday after we return. These will be really informal. You can do them from your seats. You can just kind of sit there and go like, hey, I chose the honeycomb cowfish. And I went through that one, and here's a picture of it. Here's what I found out was cool, blah, blah, blah. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but you need to get on it. And knowing that the weekend and that where time is winding down here, many of you are getting very, very poor at following through with things. So use your time wisely today, and you can probably get this assignment cracked out and done, and no worries. So get it done with, and we will see you next week. That's it. Take care.